Case summary: New Jersey v. T.L.O. 1985 is a landmark Supreme Court case that addressed the balance between students' Fourth Amendment rights against unreasonable searches and seizures and the need for school authorities to maintain order and discipline. The case arose when a high school student identified as T.L.O. was caught smoking in a school bathroom and subsequently had her purse searched by school officials, revealing evidence of drug use and dealing. Background facts: Claimant, State of New Jersey. Defendant, T.L.O. Initials used to protect the privacy of the minor involved. Incident: On March 7, 1980, a teacher at Piscataway High School in New Jersey discovered T.L.O. and another student smoking cigarettes in a school restroom, a violation of school rules. The teacher took them to the assistant vice principal, Theodore Choplik, who questioned them about the incident. T.L.O. denied smoking, but Choplik demanded to see her purse. Upon searching it, he found a pack of cigarettes, rolling papers associated with marijuana use, a small amount of marijuana, a pipe, several empty plastic bags, a substantial amount of money, an index card listing students who owed T.L.O. money, and 2 letters implicating her in drug dealing. Argument: T.L.O.'s argument. The defense argued that the search of T.L.O.'s purse was unconstitutional because it was conducted without a warrant and without probable cause, thus violating the Fourth Amendment's protection against unreasonable searches and seizures. State's argument: The state of New Jersey argued that the search was reasonable under the circumstances. They contended that school officials have the authority to maintain order and discipline, and that the Fourth Amendment standard for searches should be less stringent in the school context. Final outcome: Supreme Court decision. The Supreme Court, in a 6-3 decision, ruled in favor of the state of New Jersey. The court held that the search of T.L.O.'s purse was reasonable under the Fourth Amendment. Law justification: Reasonable suspicion standard. The court established that school officials do not need a warrant or probable cause to search students. Instead, they only need reasonable suspicion. This standard is lower than the probable cause standard required for law enforcement officials. Twofold inquiry. The reasonableness of a search in schools is determined by a twofold inquiry. First, whether the action was justified at its inception, and second, whether the search as conducted was reasonably related in scope to the circumstances that justified the interference in the first place. Application to T.L.O.'s case: The court found that the search was justified at its inception because the school officials had reasonable grounds to suspect that T.L.O. had violated school rules. The search was deemed reasonable in scope because discovering cigarettes led to further evidence of illegal activity. Key concept: Implication of the case. New Jersey v. T.L.O. established the precedent that school officials need only reasonable suspicion, not probable cause, to conduct searches of students and their belongings. This decision balances students' privacy rights with the need for school authorities to ensure a safe and orderly educational environment. Key learnings: The reasonable suspicion standard allows school officials to act swiftly to maintain discipline and safety. The Fourth Amendment applies differently in school settings, balancing individual rights with the school's interest in maintaining a conducive learning environment. Understanding the scope and limits of searches in schools is crucial for educators, administrators, and students.